Hi, and welcome to A Tale of Two Toasts. I'm Kate, and if you're new here, hello and welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Today, we're going to be making some cake shake with leftover cake, of course. Why cake shake when leftover cake by itself is so good? Because why not, hey? So, we're going to start by taking 1/3 portion of leftover cake. I've got some leftover chocolate cake here and a cup of milk. And I'm going to dilute that with some water. Just go to where it says the max limit on your magic bullet or blender. I dilute it because I find that it's really very rich if I don't. But if you like it thick, you can just go with all milk or cream or even ice cream. Yeah, it's that simple. And there we have it. Cake shake all ready to serve. Now it's time for tasting. That's very good because the cake was very good. If you like it richer, you can always add some whipped cream on top, but this works great for me.